Hello, I'm Nancy Kowalik with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty in Mullica Hill. This is 30 Things to Do in Mullica Hill in 30 days, day 21. In Flossy's Boutique right on Main Street. This place is such a haven. It's adorable in here, first of all, and there's always things changing. I'm standing here with Linda, who's going to tell us a little bit more about her vision here.
Hey everyone, and Flossy's, we are constantly evolving and changing. In the front room, we have clothing, accessories, as you can see, a lot of bling, girly, ruffles, A-line. We have earrings. In the back room is self-care, yogas, pampering, self-care, anything that is for you, for someone else. A little bit about Flossy's is our 4th year here. We're evolving, so you never know really what you're going to find here.
Right, and I mean some great things for like bridesmaids gifts and
bridesmaids gifts here, Secret Santa right now.
Right.
For loved ones, stocking stuffers, easy go-tos that you don't have to think about.
Right. Right, and it's always fun. Linda's always a joy. Everybody that comes in here, it's very pleasant. I love this it's a historic building. You can see the exposed beams. So really, really interesting in here. It's something you don't want to miss on your tour. This is 30 Things to Do in Mullica Hill in 30 days, day 21. Again, I'm Nancy Kowalik with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. Linda, thank you very much for letting me interrupt your day.
Oh, you're welcome.
And guys, go make it a great day. Thanks.